knowing that very soon in the future, physical screens are going to disappear. That is something that we really believe, so for us, that was a given. You know, in a few years, physical screens, monitors are not going to be there anymore and going to be replaced by mixed reality or augmented reality or virtual reality. So we wanted to think that when mixed reality becomes the norm and is this computing platform that is going to be pretty much everywhere, what are those interaction models that is going to allow us to just be there for many periods, long periods of time? A big focus of our research was about how do we make the creation process better for our users. So of course at Unity I was not making games, even though Unity is an engine that is used mostly for games and other applications. We were solving the problem is how we do enable the creators, how do we enable you to make better experiences.